Welcome to Shandong Youbo CNC Machinery Co. Limited. We are a professional CNC company with 15 years of experience integrating product development, sales, and service. Our company is located in the beautiful Spring City, Jinan City, Shandong Province, with convenient transportation and a planned area of more than 10,000 square meters. With more than 50 employees, our main production on CNC machines, which CNC machine includes ETC machine, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis CNC. Stone CNC include 5-axis bridge saw cutting machine, 4-axis bridge saw cutting machine, and stone ATC CNC. Laser machine include carbon dioxide laser machine, fiber laser machine, and CNC plasma cutting machine. As a professional CNC machinery supplier, our company has strong economic strength and an excellent cooperation team dedicated to product design and development, quality control and inspection, and company operations, in order to provide customers with satisfactory products and services. We have established a modern quality management system according to international standards. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO and other certificates. The products are not only sold well in various provinces and cities in China, but also exported to more than 100 countries and regions such as Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Whether your company selects a product from our existing order catalog or seeks help in engineering applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center and inform your company's procurement requirements at the same time. We also accept OEM and ODM orders. We adhere to the principle of mutual benefit and enjoy a good reputation among domestic and foreign customers with high-quality products, competitive prices, and professional services. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to discuss cooperation and win-win future.